It's important to seal the gaps around your windows for the most obvious reason, which is air infiltration and air loss. Having uninsulated gaps around your windows or unsealed gaps around windows or around the home, that's the equivalent of leaving your window cracked all winter long. In what world would you leave your window partially open when it's 20 degrees out? Well, that's what it's like when around your window on the exterior, there's open gaps, uninsulated voids. So whether it's during your window install, your siding install, we can fix those issues relatively quickly, relatively easily, and pretty inexpensively, and really have a big impact on your heating and cooling throughout the season. Furthermore, those gaps, those unsealed gaps can lead to pest infiltration into the home. It can also lead to water infiltration into the home. These are all things that lead to rot, mold, so many nightmare scenarios, and they can really be fixed pretty quickly with an experienced contractor.